Your drawer?
Lunch drawer.
You have a lunch drawer? Oh, holy your lunch drawer is bigger than all your other drawers of actual tools. We've done so many wheel unboxings in this vlog now that it's not that often that we come across a wheel design from Vossen we haven't done yet. But today, we actually have a new wheel here. It's time for an unboxing. Vossen HF64. Probably have seen a very similar spoke design, which is the HF5. But this is a 6-spoke version, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for trucks, and as you can see, there's 6 lugs. 22 by 9.5, tinted gloss black finish. In the camera right now that I'm looking at it, it looks like this is silver. In reality, this is more like a dark gunmetal color. I think the camera just makes it a little bit lighter. I'm always a big fan of 6-spoke wheels for trucks and like for Jeeps, and it's very open, so it has more of a track-oriented feel to it, even though it's a truck. So these are getting the new HF64s that I unboxed just now. How is it gonna look? Ooh, on a silver truck? This is gonna be nice. Vossen HF64 on a single cab F-150, definitely a first for us. The silver looks really good with the finish on the wheels. Tinted gloss black, 22 by 9.5. We added these red caliper covers and they kind of pop out a lot more now, especially since the wheels are so open. You see them a lot more, so it's a cool little setup. Overall, it has a really cool street truck vibe to the whole thing. Tesla Model 3 is in with us. It already has Vorsteiner 109s and carbon graphites, but client actually wanted to switch the color from carbon graphite to Zara Gray. We just swapped the carbon graphite 109s to the Zara Gray 109s. Something about the Zara Gray on this white and black setup I really like. Before, the wheels tied in with the accessories like the front lip, the chrome delete, and like the carbon fiber pieces, whereas now the wheels being silver ties in much more to the white of the car. It has a little bit more of a classier feel to it than carbon graphite, which is a lot sportier because it was so much darker. It actually does work, in my opinion, if you want to do something a little bit different with the wheels instead of just having it match with, like, for example, the chrome delete.
About 16 seats. 16 RX-7 seats.
How much were they total?
Well, I'm gonna sell most of them. Once I get everything here and I determine which one I like the most. The stock seats, I actually had a really good deal.
15,000 plus shipping?
I was looking on Instagram and there's this guy that sells seats online. He had the seats I've always been wanting. Mazda RX-7 Japan. These are factory Recaro's last model of the RX-7. These are way lighter.
Wow.
Holy sh**. Dude, it is so light. It's carbon Kevlar, which is even more expensive and more durable.
So you say you bought 16 seats. You bought 16 of the same ones?
No. 16 of mixed seats. I have Mazda Speed seats. Most of them are OEM seats. What the?
Oh, they're red. That's cool.
Yeah. Have been reupholstered from what I know. That's why they should look really good. This is carbon Kevlar.
Oh, wait, it's always yellow?
Yeah, carbon Kevlar is yellow.
You think I point out nothing?
Oh, yeah, this is light.
Oh, these are nice.
These are like maybe, what, 6 pounds?
Very nice.
Oh, wow.
I don't remember getting the honeycomb.
Honeycomb carbon fiber. That's cool. How much were these door sills, Ted?
It's not that bad.
What's so special about these seats?
Because you get a bucket seat that's easy to get in and out of. You can actually tilt them back. Whereas most race bucket seats are a fixed position. You've got this lever right here. You just slide it, tilt the seat back and forth.
The next morning.
Ooh. Okay, I like the red seats. I think red seats look so cool. There's a lot of colors and there's a lot of different designs. You have, like, you know, this, I don't know, checkerboard design on the floor mats, carbon Kevlar design on the back, honeycomb carbon fiber design.
Trust this. Break the airbag.
I think it's meant for like a kid's cup.
Yeah, because only children drive these cars.
Look at this. Another C8 Corvette. I'm normally not a silver guy. It's not, you know, just doesn't really do much for me. But dude, it looks freaking sick on this. Like the silver just shows so much of the body lines. So why do we have this Corvette in? And the reason we have it in today is because we're gonna be doing a final wrap project on this. We're actually wrapping the entire thing.
Satin bronze. What does satin bronze look like?
Well, Tyler, this is matte bronze.
You can't tell.
Can't tell what?
It looks just like that.
Whatever, man.
It's gonna look like something that you dug up from the Aegean Sea.
Do you even know where Aegean Sea is?
Do you?
Yeah.
You don't.
I do know. First of all, trick question because Pangea is no longer in existence. It's been broken up. So.
Pangea, Aegean.
Dustin, is that one of the oceans? Okay, don't be making up names. We only have the Pacific, Atlantic, Northern, and Southern Ocean. No, Antarctic Ocean. Another one of those projects where we're gonna be removing a bunch of the pieces for a cleaner look.
Be wrapped. You know, I wish I could do that. Just come up to this car and be like, all right, thank you for going this color. That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Sorry, Sean, I was trying to help you, but it looks like you actually have to wrap it.
Hey, at least you tried, bro. I appreciate that.
I saw them do it in other YouTube videos. I thought that maybe I
You
could do
need
it
to
too.
ask them. You need to ask them how they do that.
I think you hit a certain amount of subscribers. I'm not there yet. We'll get there though, Sean. We'll get there. One wrap at a time. Speaking of which, if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button.
Dad, I know you're watching this video. I need race ramps, bro. Now I'm destined to get race ramps.
Okay, brown is definitely an underrated color. Oh my god, look at this. This is freaking cool. Brand new C8 Corvette went from silver to now matte brown metallic. Guys, this brown is definitely a slept on color. Oh my goodness. When I first saw the silver, I loved it, right? It showed the body lines. I was like, yo, this is a great color. But now that it's on brown, like freaking goodness, it accents the body lines even more. And it's not like a doo-doo brown or anything like that. It's like a really nice, aggressive looking color. And it just looks so good. Wow.
Wow.
It's the combination that it's matte and metallic, which makes this a really cool color. Really freaking makes it work. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. Just like many of our other wrap projects, we took off everything that we could. Our goal is to make this as clean as possible, so we always try to strive for that in every wrap project that we do. I really like how the light hits the finish. Everything that was once silver is now brown. However, on the sides, as you can see on the bottom here, what we want to do was make a little accent piece on the bottom where the side skirt is. So we wrap that specifically in gloss black. That way it sort of breaks up the brown that's on the side from being too much, and it also matches with that little trim piece that's on the door and the rear fender. Plus the black sort of pinches in the side skirts a little bit more visually, so it looks a little bit more agile, a little bit narrower, if that makes sense. And to top everything off, we also did a ceramic coating on top of this. Since it is a matte finish, it is typically a little bit more difficult to keep clean, so the ceramic coating should help with that and should make maintaining it a lot easier. Let me know what you guys think of this color. I really like it. I could definitely see this being a more popular color in the future just because it turned out so well on this one. Guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to work on your cars, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. What? What are you saying?
With the viewers. Don't want to work on your car, so don't bring it.
We actually got a lot more wrap projects coming up, so if you guys like these, stay tuned. Hit that little notification bell. We will see you next time.
Working on the weekend like usual.
That's because our store hours are Saturday.
Yeah.